Place your pot on a hot stove and then heat up the sunflower oil. Add the dhal and then the turmeric and stir for about 20 seconds. Add your 4 cups of water, then the bay leaf, and stir around until the water boils. Then bring the pot to a low heat for a gentle simmer. Remove the scud sitting on the water. Put the lid on, leaving a little gap, and start your timer for 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, check the dhal and see if it tastes nice. Then pour your salt and cayenne pepper over your spinach and add it to your pot. Then keep stirring your spinach until it's all submerged. Next, finely chop up the chilies and fry in sunflower oil with the cumin seeds, fennel and the coriander seeds for about 20 seconds on a hot stove. Add all your spices to your pot, put the lid on and let it infuse. Last but not least, add some chaat masala